We gotta teach the younger generation and leave them a legacy so they can build towards the future.
All right, I got the whole future in the kitchen today. So I got my little baby right here, you see him. And then I got my girls right here. And we're gonna be making some yummy pretzel bites. And they're excited about it, man. They're in the kitchen. You can see them. You see the smiles on their face. And we're about to get it, man.
You can find the detailed ingredients in the description below. When you have your yeast mixture, you want to add your brown sugar, your salt, your butter, and then slowly add your cups of flour, 1 cup at a time. And what you're looking for, you want your dough to be the consistent where you touch it and the dough bounces back. So if you touch it and it's sticky, it's not ready to go. But if you touch it and your dough bounces back to the dough, it's ready to go. After that, bring it out, put it on a floured surface and knead it for 2 minutes. After you knead it for 2 minutes, put it into a bowl that's lightly coated with cooking spray and let it sit for 10 minutes. Cover it. After it's covered, now you're ready to roll it. When you roll it out, roll it into ropes, distribute it into 6 equal pieces, roll it out, cut it in 1.5 inch segments, and now you're ready to put it into your pot of boiling water. So get a pot of boiling water, put in 1/2 cup of baking soda, and then drop your dough balls into that for 20 seconds. Bring it back out, coat it with your egg wash. Now you want to coat it with your coarse salt and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Wait till it's golden brown and you're ready to go. I wanted to bring the family in because I wanted to teach my kids, a craft and really get them engaged in life. So when they grow up, they have these memories with daddy. And that's what it's all about, is inspiring everybody to get into the kitchen and make something happen, make some memories with your family, and try it with your family, see how they like it, and see if you guys will have fun. All right, there you have it. Pretzel bites, man. I told you, in the game. There we go, right there in the cheese sauce. Look at that. Ooh. Now that's delicious. Bussin' recipe. Please try that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more. Let's give the kids a waiting on it. We'll see you guys later. Thumbs up.
Subscribe.